hallway community, the 4th or 5th of April. I'm going to prepare for the left side here. I take away the dog leg yet. And over here. So, as I've shown before, this is premature insulated and also this one, as it look here inside. I come to remove everything afterwards again. And what I want to do now is I take this, you call it a chicken bone. I remove that from the left side also, because I took it away on the right side. As I see, I have some small work to do below here on the downside, and also remove the body protection as I have done on the right side. And look how it looks like for rust beneath the protection. So I show you when I have take off the chicken bone. I'm coming back later, okay. guys, at least I finished to remove the steering unit from my VW. So I have to do something cleaning up it before I put it on the storage it in my workplace. And so, but it looks so far very good. It's dirty, but it will be nice. No damage, nothing at all. So I didn't move the tensions here and there, so it's on the same place. Okay, bye. So the first two junction plates have I tag welded on the left side over here and down there, so they are in the place, and then I can take the other two a little later because I take a break now and have something to eat. I welded on their places, up, down there, on the left side, up and down. So I'll just to shine it up a little tomorrow, and then is that okay? And then I can start with the dogleg in the driver cabin on the left side. Okay. Of de autopannen. So here and there. While I'm closing it with the inner wheel arch, then I can come through it again to paint it. so I did it now. Well, looks good. I've done it ready. 2 layers with clear coat, so it looks very okay in original color. But I'm very happy with it. And I did also in here with clear spray, 2-core. So it looks very okay, huh? I'm very pleased with it. Now, looks okay, huh? Of de autopannen. So here and there. Well, I'm closing it with the inner wheel arch. Then I can't come through it again to paint it. So I did it now. Well, looks good. Hello. Today I'm using my spot welder to point these points here in there. And look how it's going. Oh shit. What I'm coming to do. Hi guys, today I'm showing you what I'm coming to do. This is I cut out I made from the inside from the dogleg on the left side, and this is the exact copy what I have to make or to fit in here again. I can show you this piece I cut out, and it should fit in from here with on the underside from the dogleg. So I'm going to make the exact copy of it, and then I can weld it in, and then I can weld in the total new dogleg into the driver's side. So, see you. So I premature mounted dog leg. Here I made the new pads here for closing the instep to the dog leg. I have to make some small adjustments here. So one new patch in here, I welded in here, so I can close it complete with the new part I've done here. So it fits. Welding wire. That's it for now. See you later.
Kan det i alle fall virke som, samtidig som lakselva fortsatt kritisk. Det ser ut som at vannføringen begynner å gå litt ned, men vi følger den nøye. Vi har...
Hey guys, now I want to show you the final welding from the dog leg. Hey guys, this is take 2 of my showing the efforts what I've done on my Volkswagen T3 1982 model single cabin. So coming up next, that is here, closing this bolt between the loading floor and the driver's cabin. This is the part I coming to weld in. I have to form it. This is the part what I coming to weld in. So I want to show you a few from the upside and below. This panel into the driver's cabin I welded in new, and also the part over there. I want also to show you the floor in here. what I've done and what it looks like in 2016 when I started to restore my car. Here the loading deck, the support standards and the loan are 100% okay. That I did for 2 years ago, welded in a totally new part in here and also in the bottom there. You see, that here is also new, and also new on the right side, left side. On the left side I welded in a total new outer rocker and inner rocker, and also this part is total new, and also there, so that you get an impression what it was before and what it is now. You see it in here. It was totally open. The wheelhouse there, the closing wheelhouse, that was also totally open. As the same, just on the right side, the battery plates and also the inner wheelhouse and the corner plates. So as you see, it looks very okay. I don't have to worry for the top. So I go and take you further on tour. I just have to step out of my car. It is a little difficult because I'm not the youngest anymore, but that's okay. So, starting here on the left side, or on the right side, 2017 I did this part of the beep pillar and renew it. I did by myself. Then I welded in all the new panels here, the outer rocker, the lock catcher, the door hinge, the closing panel, the new wheelhouse or the wheel arch, the outer corner, the upper outer corner, the lower corner. I did also this part. I made totally new. And here you can also see from the inside. I hope the angle is okay so that you can see what I've done. So I have to do some more work below or beneath, and also here I have to preserve for rust and so on. Next is what I show you what I did on the left side for 2 days ago. This I did for 2 weeks ago, the new dogleg, part 1, that you can follow up on my videos, and also the opening for the fuel pipe. Here I have also to do some work, cut out here and there and in here and weld in a new patch. This is the last one, the last dog leg I did now for 2 days ago on the left side. As you see, it looks very okay, very nice, and also up, and also the welding in to the new B-pillar. I've also do here something, close it, some small holes here I have to cut out, 2-3 parts, and close also here, because it's a little rust under there. The B-pillar I did also this year, new. The closing panel between the B-pillar and the loading cargo room. Here I did also total the new outer rocker and inner rocker. So the lock catcher, door hinge in here, it's also new, and also all those parts here. The closing panel, the wheel arch, the lower corner panel and the upper corner panel, and so. And also in here, the wheelhouse in there, and here. So, here I have to make a little weld because I burnt a small hole, and also in here. So, I hope you enjoy the update, what is coming up in the next video. See you, bye, thanks. If you like it, subscribe, take an elbow, thumbs up, and please comment. Thank you.